Hello and welcome to my studio journal. Now back in 2022, I started to redesign my home studio, shifting from software to hardware for the first time. What began as a few videos for some curious students soon became an ongoing unfiltered record. Alright, I'm still in the process of connecting up all my gear in the rack unit. The problem is all the cords were just way too long. They're all 6 feet. Really, I just need something like 2.5 feet or 3 feet. So anyhow, I got this new cable from Monoprice. I just thought I would buy one first to see what it's like. And if it looks like it's a good quality cord, if it looks like it will work, then I'm going to go ahead and buy some more to see if that'll work. Guys are working on the yard next door, so it's going to be a little bit loud here. Okay, so this is what these cables come across like. So they're actually a thick cable. Pretty thick cable, pretty pliable too. Now, okay, this I think this will work. Looks like you can remove the sleeve on them. So I mean, you could do some replacement work if you had to, but they seem to be good solid jacks. Everything's metal and that. So I think, I mean, other than I have no idea what it's going to sound like and that sort of thing. I wouldn't know if I wouldn't have any idea myself anyhow. If I listened to it on a record as to what the issue would be if the cables are good or not good. I mean, the thing, as long as they carry the sound through and work good enough for me, that's all I care about. So now I have to get back into the rack unit and see whether this is actually a long enough cable. Problem is, they do show direction. The direction's going the right way. This is coming out of the patch bay and plugging into the preamp. So everything is going the right way, if that's the case anyhow. All things considered, these are really quite substantial cables. So I think I will then have to order another 2 of these and 6 of TRS to TRS ones. All right, well, I guess I'll go back there and see now if these will actually reach. If they will, then I'm back to ordering some more of these, I guess. All right then. I can't really fit all of this in to the frame, so we'll just have to see what happens here. In here, and I have, more than enough room. I can get to the almost the furthest jack on that side. So that shouldn't be a problem anyhow. I mean, I only have to go halfway and I can get pretty far. So that means, like, let's say I have these things clicked in. I'm not going to have tons of cables just sitting there. So this works out great. I'm going to use it for this bottom unit over here. So how much am I going to have left over here? So when I plug this in the bottom, I mean, it's going to be a little bit more, like that's going to plug into something like there. Even so, that's going to be a lot less cable going from here to there. So all right then, I think we might end up taking a look and seeing if we can score some more of these. If you'd like to follow the full journey, check out my online studio journal linked in the description. Until next time, I'm just a music teacher having fun. Catch you on the next one.